In this work, we present a new semi-autonomous control architecture for omnidirectional mobile manipulators in force tracking tasks. Such tasks include applications like polishing or brushing, among other examples. The human teleoperator can interface with the robot by using a joystick like is shown here. This way, he can telecommand the motions to the base and the arm's end-effector to slide the tool along the surface of the asset that is being treated. We use a redundancy resolution scheme to handle the whole body motion control. The primary task is defined by the requirements of the task space, while in the secondary, we assign the motion commands to the mobile base. The degrees of freedom of the base are totally penalized from contributing to motions in the primary task. This setting provides higher control to the human, making the system very easy and intuitive to use, and eventually, in certain scenarios, makes the application safer. A recurrent scenario happens when the human drives the base away from the manipulator's workspace. In these conditions, the arm cannot respond to the primary task, which forces the redundant resolution to take control over the teleoperator, and it uses the joints of the base for the force control. This unsafe behavior can be avoided by setting a very high penalization. We now show how the system performs a brushing operation over the surface of a 3 meter in length pipe and 0.5 meter in diameter. The human drives the base for the whole demonstration. As for the motion of the tool, he has the option to execute a raster trajectory that will make a much better surface coverage, as well as making the teleoperation less tiring for himself.